If you are curious about the ideal keyword density for SEO content writing, then this lecture is just for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. Today we are addressing a pivotal question: what should be the ideal keyword density for SEO content writing? Keyword density plays a crucial role in crafting content that stands out to both users and search engines. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the full makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. Let's start by defining what ideal keyword density is. Ideal keyword density refers to the optimal percentage of times a specific keyword or key phrase should appear in a piece of content relative to the total word count. Got it? Now, why is understanding and achieving the ideal keyword density important? It ensures your content remains relevant to the target keyword without overloading it with excessive keywords. It enhances the user experience, making your content more readable and engaging. It assists search engines in accurately ranking your content for relevant queries. Got it? Now, let's discuss what the actual keyword density percentage should be. The ideal keyword density can vary depending on factors like the industry, competition and the nature of the content. As a general guideline, many SEO experts recommend aiming for a keyword density of around 1% to 3%. This means your target keyword should appear 1 to 3 times for every 100 words of content. Got it? Now, let's illustrate this with an example. If you have a 500 word article, an ideal keyword density of 1% to 3% means your target keyword should appear roughly 5 to 15 times in the content. In our previous lecture, we discussed how to calculate keyword density. If you missed that video, you can find it in the description box or by clicking the I option above. Now, drawbacks of keyword stuffing. While understanding the ideal keyword density is vital, it's equally crucial to avoid keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing is the practice of excessively using keywords which can harm your content's quality and SEO. It leads to a poor user experience, may incur search engine penalties, and can damage your content's credibility. Now, in conclusion, we can say that knowing the ideal keyword density is a key element of effective SEO content writing. Striking the right balance ensures your content is both SEO friendly and user friendly. By maintaining an ideal keyword density, you can improve your content search engine rankings and provide value to your audience. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will explore advanced SEO writing techniques for maximizing your website's visibility and ranking on search engines. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 25 where we explored what should be the ideal keyword density for SEO content writing. If you are seeking professional digital services like SEO and content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.